Welcome to the Market Mindset. We are the hub for news, results, and CEO interviews focusing the junior commodities sector. We provide market analysis and perspective that will help position you for solid returns. If that sounds like something you're interested in, you can help support us by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification bell. For more info, you can visit our website. All links are in the description below. Now let's get into today's video.
Good morning, everyone. It's Andrew from the Market Mindset. Just a special quick show, just a quick update, because we've got a couple news releases that I thought better than just typing out and putting on social media, I would jump out and tell you about them. And the one right off the bat is Goliath Resources, as it reports high-grade mineralization in 90% of first batch drill hole assays, up to 24.78 grams per ton over 11 meters. So that's their best hole. But 98, so 51 to 52 widely spaced drill holes to date have, within this whole 1.6 kilometer SUREBET zone, have intersected high-grade gold and silver mineralization. Also, 27 of 28 holes this year over that same SUREBET zone have hit this high-grade mineralization, but also they're waiting on 43 additional holes. So there's still a lot more news to come in, but this is a very good start with the assays. The weighted average width and grade is about 6.14 grams equivalent, so gold equivalent, which is great. You know, it's hard for me. There's so much detail in this, and I think the market's responded in the last few days. Goliath has done very well. It's up today as well, but it's with this, they provide so much data that I'm certainly not qualified to be able to give in depth. I know enough to know this is a great result. And also in that press release, I can highlight that Dr. Quinton Henning, who is the technical and geological director over Crescat, also strategic advisor to Goliath, he has a comment, and he says, this first batch of assays from the SUREBET zone provides an early picture of where the story is headed. Many of these holes were drilled early in the season for drill pads lower in elevation that were accessible before snow melted at higher elevations. Therefore, they are predominantly located around the lower margins of the SUREBET zone. Given that virtually all these holes have encountered significant mineralization across this important structure, in line with the results from holes drilled last season, predominantly along the upper outcropping margin of SUREBET, we can now start to conjecture the SUREBET zone is continuous over a footprint of approximately 1.6 kilometers. It is seldom one can become confident about such a vein target in such a short period of time. It is seldom one can become confident about such a vein target in a short period of time. That's pretty cool. Results from holes still in the lab will soon give us a picture of continuity of mineralization within the interior of this zone. Given visual indications from the core, as discussed in previous news releases, I'm very hopeful that that structure will be strong. But in short, we can already see SUREBET is continuous, extensive, thick, and overall high in grade. So this is an outstanding result. We can see they've provided a video. We'll have the press release. We'll have this video out that they have out as well. This came out, I believe, early Frankfurt time, so the market's seen it. The video as well, we'll have a link to that to describe what's happening. So really, overall, some fantastic news in regards to Goliath, and I wanted to come out and share that with everyone. I think it's best to give my 2 cents worth. We're excited. You know, of course, we own a fair chunk of this, and it's incredible to see It's impressive to be involved in something that is coming together like this. The thesis is being proved out. I think what we're really going to see is Crescat on Friday generally does their update in the market, and they talk about all the stocks they're invested in, where they are, any news releases. I'm assuming and hoping that on that Friday, Crescat will come out with something in regards to this, and that's where we're going to get a real analysis and a lot of the detail from Dr. Quinton Henning. That's really what people are waiting for. But I wanted to get out ahead of that to let people know, I know that this is good. So there's no question of whether it's good. It's just, I think I want our subscribers to know that to keep your eye on this, to look at this. And then I think we're going to see whenever Quinton Henning gives his full analysis of what this all looks like, what it means, what we can take away from it, with still 43 holes to come. I think that's going to be pretty exciting. So that's the reason for the big, jump on today on Monday morning, kind of out of the blue. I wanted to get in front of people, speak it out, tell people about it. And also on an unrelated but similar story, I wanted to give a shout out to Lithium Bank. They've come out with the first Canada-based indicated lithium brine resource estimate for their Boardwalk property. We just did a show on direct lithium extraction, which is critical. We talked about some of the key themes regarding carbonate equivalents, about mineral grade, about not just assays, but flow rates. If you can go back, take a look at that to learn about DLE, you can see why this is such a great estimate that they've put out. It's big news. It's exciting news. We'll talk more about that soon. I look forward to having Lithium Bank on the show, and we'll catch up with the CEO, Rob Shuchuk, as soon as we can. But this is big news coming out of Alberta. Great news. It's a huge low-grade assay, but it's a big tonnage. And once again, this is a big step. So a great day overall, regardless of tensions. We've got U.S. elections coming in tomorrow, so things are a little bit tense, and we're in a tight market, but a great day with some big news coming out. Enjoy the rest of the week.
Welcome to the Market Mindset. We are the hub for news, results, and CEO interviews focusing the junior commodities sector. We provide market analysis and perspective that will help position you for solid returns. If that sounds like something you're interested in, you can help support us by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification bell. For more info, you can visit our website. All links are in the description below.